Hi, I'm Bobby. This is Zach. Today we're going to talk about BVA electric pumps. If you have access to electricity, an electric pump is the way to go for larger jobs. These are high production applications where they deliver faster flow and a higher performance.
First, it's important to know the different type of motors for our electric pumps. For example, our PE style electric pumps are induction motors, which are designed for continuous duty applications like repetitive manufacturing.
Next is the PU series, your go-to for intermittent applications. These intermittent duty cycle pumps have universal motors that work great with generators or long heavy gauge extension cords. PU series models range from 1 to 1.7 horsepower with 120 volt and 240 volt options. They come standard with 1 and 2.5 gallon reservoirs, but can mount up to 40 gallons if needed. All PU models come standard with a 10-foot hand pendant and have a great weight to power ratio. The PU series is all about mobility and flexibility. So whether you need all-day performance or intermittent powerhouse, upgrade to BVA Electric Pumps.